A couple tips for getting ready to attach your embroidery unit to your BERNINA 570 Quilters Edition sewing machine is number one, you need to be on a solid surface, a very sturdy surface. So if for any reason a table has a little bow in it, or that it's just going to wiggle when you embroider, you're going to need to change surfaces. So find something that when you set your machine on it, things are going to stay all connected. So on an embroidery unit, there is a connection point here that actually sits right into this area. So as you go ahead and just line up that the two pieces to just go ahead and push right in, you will have like a little click, and you can see that I can't push it off. To take the module off the machine, there is a handle kind of button right here. So you're going to take your fingers, push that button in, and then pull out to the side, and then it will disconnect. It doesn't matter if the machine is on or off when you add this in. If you're in the sewing side of the machine, when you attach it, there'll be a place where you can go to the home button and choose to get over to the embroidery side of your machine. Now, if you're not doing too much sewing, because this is in our way just a little bit, you can actually sew with the embroidery module still attached to the machine. Now, I wouldn't do that all the time because you're going to find that your fabric isn't going to lay smooth. But if you just needed to do a quick little seam or do a quick little repair, you don't have to take this all the way off to switch over to the sewing side of the machine. You can just go ahead and do the stitching that you need and keep it all attached. We have lots more embroidery videos for you to check out as you work through and master your BERNINA 570 Quilters Edition and embroidery machine.